let's just unpack on the Real Housewives of Durban. Abanye nabo lapho idrama yabi yayaza ngithi uNonku has a drama, guys, like for days. Njengale channel's name. Every day, guys. And do you remember when I started this season 5? I did say ukuthi uNonku, guys, ufika qala ngomthandazo. I rebuke. Yakhumbula ngathi mina hope she's repenting, but I also said ngeke uNonku starts to become another person after yonke lento ukuthi I know I want to be a better person now. But the stuff that she's doing though already, I'm just like I'm done. Ngeke uNonku uzumbone ebara. So baba invite ke uJojo, invite uMini. So they're gonna be chilling at Jojo's. Invite and uNonku noMini kuphela swimming pool, the indoor swimming pool. Yeah, Jojo Yamas, she's always talking about it. Jojo's house is another level, guys. So they're chilling there. Before I say that, guys, there was something that I was just discussing with my cousin when we were watching the Real Housewives of Durban. Do you realize that? I actually asked my cousin this. I was like, do you realize when he called Usorisha wa phone up because of Jojo, it's Usorisha, I realized something ngathi uBube uKevin umuntu kaJojo ufila ukuthi you know what mina phela mangenze ngikwazi vele ukuxabana noViv uVivian uUncle Viv ngixabane naye ngendaba kami Sorisha's husband ngendaba yalabo mama abaxabana mina ngifuna imali mina uViv uzo end up gatekeeping me in other projects like KZN ngendaba yabantu. What do you think of that? I'm thinking that's exactly what's going on, and I just feel like manje uBube noJojo bancinga relationship kaSorisha noVivian. That's just how I see it. I'm just like, what's going on here? Are we getting projects to be rich in KZN? Like, what's going on? Go on. So I'm still saying, I go hleli beke kuzogroviwa laphana again, have some snacks, some cheese boards, kube mnandi, msile kamnandi. There at the indoor swimming pool kaJojo, uMini noNonku. uNonku mayefika nama Versace akhe ne swimming costume yakhe yiVersace. Athi uNonku and then la ufuna la. Uinvest kanjani? Like uNonku is so childish, guys. Oh my gosh, like as a friend, I'm just like umngane njalo. Kubalon. She is the most childish person I know. Childish. Ufila nje ukuthi uJojo owakhe. You know type of friends, right? So bachileke lapho ke start to talk about indaba kaPrecious ke neindaba yakhe yenwele ke the Nigerian lady with her nale accent yakhe. You know, to a point where when she speaks sometimes akazwakali ukuthi uthini, cause her accent is in another level, guys. I'm just like, yeah, what did you just say manje? So emva kwaloko ke ba invite futhi, or actually before that they show us the twins. Yabona ama twins, they just chilling uAyanda nosisi wakhe bakhuluma nje about life. Ngoba guys impilo yo abona this thing futhi of growing up with our dad. The dad wabo just picked up and left them with the mom. 5 children. Imagine. Which is the twins and then the other 3 mhlambi. You know? I'm just like abanye baba. So uyasho lento le to a point where mangihleli nendoda yami ngize ngiyokhala e-toilet because I cannot reach out to him and be like, oh, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo lento lo. So the sister was just teaching her ukuthi, you know what, sikhuluma ngayo. Mina ngicela ngoba ngiyahamba nama therapy, so I know how to behave around certain things. I know how to can't bottle up stuff. So you need to start learning to take out things. Uyitshele indoda yakho and open up. Don't be that person, oh, ufile ukuthi nje no I can't angikwazi kumtshela. Mtshele umuntu wakho lo mtshela they cried together, they were sitting there having tea. It's almost like a pajama party for themselves, you know. They're having tea, they're chilling. I liked that a lot about them. It touched me a lot, actually, that scene. I was just like, oh my gosh, the twins, they are so cute, you know. And then we continue, guys. Ne event ke manje ega Sisilo. Precious, the Nigerian lady, nenwele zakhe ezinye they feel ukuthi fake. You know how there's many has some beef with this lady, guys. So the theme was ufika ugqoke ugold and black. Afike ke uNonku nomngane wakhe uJojo. Qala kwafika uJojo qala in a pink dress. I was like, what are you even doing? Kanti Pink situation ifike Nonku apparently wasinokwasigqo Pink akho umbula ukuthi vele Nonku indaba zamatimu akazizwa kahle yakhumbula na last time sitshele ngeRobert Gavale dress yakhe 150,000 ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukugqoka lezi zinto engitheni ngigqoke my dress at the end of the day is 150,000 angazi fanele ngenze njani nale suit ade ifakele Nonku you can tell ukuthi it's very expensive the pink suit rocked up in azlakha Nonku nawe awuzwa. And then she tried to justify it for a long time, guys. I was just like, maybe 10 minutes. So she was like, are we not done? Like, why are they dressed in pink? Everyone was in the diaries. They were like, oh, guys, these ladies. And Angel did actually explain it. So, you know what? It's actually rude. And it's not the first time. Like, I don't go. We burn around today, I guess. Yeah, you know, go share my try to explain the suit. There was no vest under the suit. There was nothing. We just the jacket and pants. I was just like, wow, Nonku, wow. Namazi message, I'm snatched. Wakhipha ama ribs phela Nonku. Wenza some, remember I said on season 2, wenza some surgery. The surgery, guys, apparently you can't even drink. Masusu yenzile the surgeries. Those are crazy things. The lining there by keeper is doing something. I was just like, I want to Nonku abasapi. And then she was drinking like you've never seen on season 2, but this type of procedure, actually, you can't do that. I was like, this is marunjani. So at the event, Precious wasn't impressed at all. She was like, oh, guys, black and gold. Like, what happened? Why are you in pink? And then abanye, but they just felt ukuthi Unonku was trying to address ulo, but in another setting. It's like, Sisi, what are you even doing? Uzaman. They just like, I just grew up, you know, on their diaries, obviously, including Ulo. Ulo was like, as they are sitting there, hi, indaba yamawiki uNonku wasethi amawiki akho njani story after another story. So what type of a week is this? Hayi bese kuba ile yakho mosho ngiyakhumbula usisi lo umini the problem that she had with two sisters. Angithi usacela Angel manje ukuthi amodelela amawiki akho ku Instagram nakuphi kuphi. So Angel angenelele ukuthi hey sisi hey abantu banenkinga nangumini uthi wena wenza so na so inini. Asusorisha sisakule ndaba. We haven't moved on because really guys it's been 2 weeks. Khulunywa indaba ka Precious so Precious yasi urude nezisebenzi zakhe uyitreat kabi and she treats nabantu athi abamodelela amawiki akhe kabi and she's not legit and amanye amawiki akhe they're not really genuine. Oh my gosh, like it went on and on and on and on. You know, until she was like, Nick, guys, this story is actually exhausted. It's a broken record. We are tired. No Angel ifakazi Angel izama futhi noko explain kuNonku about the wigs and all of that ukuthi yadude bathi uNonku nje hayi ngeke mina uPrecious sebemngenele lo Precious wabantu engakwazi usichaza isistory sakhe na uPrecious engazwakala and people were like, you know what, we wanted to explain to us the type of wigs ungalibele ushona le naleyo kekela, we need you to explain to us. Yeah, there was nothing much actually on this episode ne. It was just that dinner, how it happened with Sorisha's dinner as well. She actually copied Sorisha. The setup was almost the same, just there was just black clothes there, you know, because the theme, like I said, was black and gold. So iphela lapho guys, there's nothing much there that happened except for these ladies balusa Precious ne business lakhe lenwele, and I really don't understand why can't they just let it go? Like how Sorisha was saying, this story is actually exhausting now. Just leave this lady alone. You know, Pele Lapo guys, I thank you so much for always supporting me in Santa Over.